So in this Zillow tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to adjust bedroom requirements here on Zillow. So the first thing you have to do is obviously open up the Zillow application. Once it is opened up, go to the top right of your screen and press on the filters button. Right beside the search bar, press on the filters button. Then right below where it says the price range and it says calculate your budget, if you keep scrolling down, it'll say bedrooms right here. And what you can actually do is set your bedroom requirements. So you can go to the minimum bedrooms, and let's just say, for example, you wanted to, have at least a one-bedroom place, and then your maximum bedrooms can be perhaps no max. Maybe it's going to be, four bedrooms, whatever the case may be. Once that is done, simply go to the bottom and press on See Results, and now your budget, or I guess now your bedroom requirements, is now set here in Zillow. So that is how you guys can adjust bedroom requirements here on Zillow. Hope this video helps. Thanks again for watching.